So hey there, just thought I'd put up a quick little short. Again, I usually talk about Turo. We talk a little bit about car rentals, car servicing, maintenance. We do a little discussion a little bit about OMVIC as far as getting a sales license and wholesaling in Ontario, Canada, or maybe selling cars, going from that standpoint. I kind of cover it all. I do it on my live sessions, which are typically on the weekend. So if you're available on a Saturday or a Sunday, check and see if I'm there because you never know. That's usually also where I answer questions or we talk a little bit about my Turo experience in a little more detail as far as that's concerned. I also like to get into things like buying cars, talking about interest rates, things along that line on that live session. I'm up to about 400 subscribers right now. I like to get 500. That'd be nice. So if you could subscribe, that would be great. Or check out my other videos and do a little thumbs up. That would be wonderful as well. Today we are just getting our vehicle back from a Turo rental. I've taken it out for a good run, so I've gone to burying it and back again. Air conditioning's working great, brakes are working wonderful. It went through Meineke for a quick little run through, so no issues, nothing to report from that standpoint. Now I've got to go take it out, give it a good car wash, clean the interior up a little bit. It's not bad, it just needs to get tidied up, and then get it ready for a rental tomorrow. So again, just going through that process right now. If you're interested in Turo in Canada and you want to kind of get a good feel of what it's all about, again, check out my live sessions. I do appreciate it. If you're looking for some basic car maintenance, or I'm doing a truck right now that I picked up at government auction. So we're trying to get that up and ready for a safety. We're going to roll that into another little business. Hopefully, that's kind of where we're going with that one. I was really looking for a van, but I couldn't find a van at a reasonable price, which is why I picked up one of those government trucks. So again, check that out. I think you'll enjoy it. If you're on a budget and you're trying to kind of get things done and you're doing it in your driveway, they're not bad little videos to watch. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant and enjoyable day. And again, if you could leave me a thumbs up, that'd be great. Or check out some of my live videos.